Hi everyone, and welcome to the walk around video here at your next car. As always, we're going to begin with showing you around the exterior of the vehicle. I'm also going to talk to you about major talking points and features of these 435D M Sport Convertible we have here for you. Presented in the black sapphire metallic, and alongside that we've also added a full YNC Mperformance body styling kit to the car. Included in that is the 20-inch 405M style alloys that are all brand new with brand new tyres. You'll see there at the front it's a 2015 65 reg, also has the Angel Eye and xenon headlamps. Down the side of the car we get the BMW gloss black air breathers alongside the gloss black sidebars and YNC Mperformance decals and vinyls. The interior for the car is the very nice M Highlight black Dakota leather, which in the front comes with the electric movement and heated seat option and memory for driver's side. And as you can see there, all of the interior is in very nice condition throughout. And there you can see those lovely M highlights once again. In the rear for the convertible, very similar to the coupe variant, you do get the ISOFIX 2x2 seat arrangement. You also get a centre folding armrest and storage tray in the middle. And of course we'll explore more of the interior features shortly. We've got the lovely 8-speed sports automatic gearbox in this car, and of course combined with that superb twin turbo engine, we've also got XDrive 4-wheel drive system on board. At the back of the car we've added a high gloss rear spoiler and matching rear diffuser. And of course, always a talking point of any convertible is luggage capacity. And of course, we've got the roof currently down. However, we can partly lift that back out of its storage tray thanks to BMW's innovative idea of popping a little button just up here. And as you'll see, as that lifts itself out of here in a moment, we have a very nicely large size boot. So once that action is complete, I can simply lift the storage tray open, and there you can see now we have a very nice size boot indeed, along with the genuine floor mats, which will of course also accompany the car. Closing that back down, everything simply folds neatly back into its storage tray, and again we can move around to the other side of the car to demonstrate to you how well this black sapphire metallic really does work very nicely with all of the additions we've made here at your next car, including those very eye-catching alloys. So you should be able to see that everything is nice and clean and all in good order. And I'm going to go ahead now and take a seat inside the car, and of course first of all begin with popping the roof up, showing you how that all works. And of course towards the end you'll see what the car looks like with the roof all the way up. The roof is simply activated by using this little toggle switch down here, and we simply push that forward. In the meantime, I'll show you a couple of other features. The vehicle's covered just over 56,000 miles. As I did mention, does have that superb 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. We've also got cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls, all on our multi-function M Sport steering wheel. We've got the very nice professional wide navigation and media screen, and in a second I'll take you through a couple of the other functions and features of that. That little audible noise is just to remind us that the convertible roof movement is now complete. Running you through those screens there, you can see the satellite navigation. We've got Bluetooth for communications and audio. We've got DAB along with a wide array of other multimedia inputs, including the music collection, and your external devices is for your USB, Bluetooth audio and AUX inputs. Back at the main menu in just 1 second, we'll go ahead and check out the service history of the car. Down here is where we find the dual climate control and the switches for the heated seats. Just up here, as I said, we'll check out the service requirements and service history for the car. If I go into the right setting, or menu should I say, there we go. And as you can see there, everything is highlighted in the green, and the next service is not due for 11,000 miles time. Up at the top is service history, and this vehicle comes with comprehensive full BMW service history, again as you can now see on screen. The last visit to BMW was in fact carried out at 48699. And that was for an engine oil and microfilter change, and as you've already seen, the current mileage is just 56983. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and found it useful, and of course we'll just quickly show you what the vehicle looks like with that roof all the way closed. And there you have it. Whether the roof is up or down on a 4 Series convertible, they're a very striking and very nice looking car indeed. Thank you very much. We hopefully see you soon. Goodbye.